Happy Marvelous Monday, my adorable little sixth graders. Hey, it is Monday, October 5th, and if you are silver, you are sitting at home looking at this presentation to get all of the directions that you need to be successful today. The first thing you need to make sure that you do is fill out the Google attendance form. It's right here every day. Fill that out between class time so that I know that you were present. You're going to scroll down. You have a new Wonderings of the World picture, and you also have a new I Wonder About the World October form. It's been linked on Google Classroom. It's housed under the topic I Wonder About the World. I already graded and put into Campus your grades for your September I Wonder About the World. If you need to get any feedback on that, why you got a certain grade, you may reach out to me in an email, or we can talk about it when you're in the building next. You're going to copy this picture, paste it in that middle column, and then make some scientific good I Wonder About the World observations. Okay, so after you finish that, we're going to look through our learning target. Our learning target today is I will use the observations and the data I collected last week to create a list of rules to distinguish if a physical change has happened or a chemical change has happened. And you will know that you have been successful when you have 8 rules listed on the step 2 of your data collection document that you started when you were in the building last time when we were doing our experiments. Keep in mind, some of the classes had to make a copy of that data collection document. So you might need to go digging in your file or in your Google Drive to see where you can find it. After you have finished all those 8 rules, there's one more thing down below that you need to do. In a box, there is a sentence that has been started for you, but it has not been finished. I need you to complete that sentence on the bottom in the box of your data collection chart and then turn it in. So make sure, did you do all the following? Did you do your Google attendance form during class time? Did you copy the I Wonder About the World picture into your new October form? Did you watch this video? Obviously you are if you're here. And did you complete step 2 of your data chart? And did you turn it in? Hey, I can't wait to see you guys back in the building as soon as possible. Have a wonderful, marvelous Monday, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.